Hey everybody, it's Roland Rowe from Complete Trader Academy with another daily review. Today is Thursday, January 5th, 2023. Let's jump right into it here. This is the daily candle here. This opened up, came down, finally took out these lows here. And let's go right into it here. So we had news today and let's see here. Where was it? Okay. Sorry, I got lost here. So they opened up here. Well, let me zoom out just a little bit so you can see. We had this high get taken out. All these highs get taken out with this price leg here. This drive right here. It might have been the last drive I was mentioning. And then yesterday was a inside day. And then today we're looking for the price to expand out, up or down, right? Or both, even could be. But with the news and the way things were going, the top side has been pretty much taken care of. And then we have now left all this liquidity here. Sure enough, price has now finally came down, took out that low. We've had this line marked for days. Obviously, or weeks even, you've been watching since last week. But yeah, so let me go into a smaller time frame real quick. Try to make this video short. Okay, so price opened up, wicked up, was gonna take a buy, it was gonna take a sell here with a limit, but I just wasn't sure what was gonna happen, so I just was patient, waited for some type of shift in market structure or break. And price came down, broke that structure there, took that low. I didn't look at it as some type of liquidity grab at all because my intention is to come down here anyway. Sure enough, you got order flow happening the rest of the day. And then I was about to get out right here, but I decided to hold and I wanted to take this out. Now I thought it would run right through. I was hoping it would run right through so I can get an amazing day, but this was still an amazing day. I was aiming for this and it tapped it, and then as soon as I started to see this order flow, I got out. So yeah, when it came right back here, I was done. So yeah, other than that, pretty smooth day, pretty good day. And then as far as tomorrow, and hopefully you're not taking this is a signal service or something like that, and some of you are actually taking trades based off what I'm telling you, which you do it at your own risk. I'm not a financial advisor, but same time, you can see this it's panning out most of the time. So, and what to look for. So you had your indication. I'm sorry, I forgot to mention you had your indication a little bit at London and Asia and London. So going up and down, because you see it generally starts to shake out and get people out. So they took out this bottom side, then they came out and took out this top side right here, and then you saw order flow happening down. So that was generally how I was basing off the bearish day. But as far as tomorrow goes, I mean, this is going to be interesting. I still think we have some, well, I shouldn't have even changed the time frame. You can see right here that we have a high here that's going to probably get taken out. We have some imbalance of price here. Price always loves to come back. Even if it's not the same day, it could be the next day, which would be, what is today? Thursday? Yeah, so Friday. It would be Friday, but it's a Friday. So you might get that run on price up or down. But I mean, it tapped it and it had a nice reaction. Again, perfect world, I'd like for it to come down. Let me just go to an hour chart. Perfect world, I'd like for it to come down and start, taking out this low and getting in here. But this could take time. But right now we have a short-term high right here, little intermediate high, and we could really run above that, grab this area, and then sink off. Or if they really want to push it, they even come above here and do that agenda like I was mentioning. But I'm generally looking for sells here, so we'll see how price reacts. And you do not have to trade the news. You're probably not even going to get filled. I mean, it's gambling. It's okay for waiting price to move and show you its hand by breaking structure and all that type of thing. All right, so hope this helps. You guys take care. God bless.